multi-vehicle crashes here in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm a personal injury attorney, and along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of motor vehicle accidents here in Massachusetts. And I've been asked to talk about these multi-vehicle accidents and how we figure out who is at fault so we can represent you if you're a victim. And it's complicated. Each person may say something different. If there's two vehicles and you have two sides of the story, sometimes you can ferret out what the answer is based on skid marks, based on speeds, based on who said what and when. But multi-vehicle accidents can be much harder to figure it all out. If the police are there, they can be helpful. Not always. Sometimes they just take some statements. Sometimes they form an opinion too soon. If the state police are there, they can be very helpful. They write great accident reconstruction reports. If there's a criminal case involved, it can take a long time to get those criminal accident reconstruction reports because of the rights of the defendant in that case, which supersede the rights of the civil folks in the cases involving the same collision. So that can be a complicating factor. And the insurance companies take different positions. Remember, if you have, let's say, 3 vehicles, multi-vehicle, 4 vehicles, there's 3 or 4 insurance companies, and they're going to take the best position for their insured, and sometimes that does not help move things forward. It can be harder and harder, and putting a case in suit, you now have multiple people that you have to take depositions of, have attorneys for. So scheduling a deposition takes some time. So a multi-vehicle case is harder to push through, to process through the system. It takes longer, but that should not be a deterrent. You need someone who's done it before, like Burns and Jam. I've been doing this for 40 years, 37 years here in this building at 6 Beacon Street, and we have experience in moving these cases forward. And sometimes it looks easy at the outset, but what happens is the insurance company on the other side takes a position of it wasn't our fault, or we don't think you're that badly injured, and we have to litigate and litigate and litigate. So in the multi-vehicle collision cases, it's more complicated, it takes more time. You need someone with a lot of experience. Call us, call Burns and Jen. It's a free initial consultation, 617-227-7423. Thank you.